Welcome back to MacPhee Ford, and today we're taking a look at this brand new 2020 Ford F-150 STX. The STX trim is perfect for the person that needs an F-150 but doesn't need all the accessories that come with it. Let's take a look at some of the features that do come with the STX. You've got a blind spot tow mirror on the actual mirror there, power window controls, leather insert on the door, cloth seating with manual lumbar and adjusting, electric parking brake, and then exterior and interior lighting controls. Getting into the F-150, you do have your screen here. Go ahead and turn it over. You got a few different menus on here: tire pressure and digital speedometer, trip and fuel statuses as well, towing with a connection checklist, off-road capability, and then vehicle settings with pre-collision, MacPhee, all that good stuff that comes with a Ford. On the steering wheel itself, you have your menu controls and cruise control on the left. Hands-free is on the right. Your steering column here, you get drive modes on the shifter: towing and hauling, snow and wet, eco, sport, and normal. Going onto the center screen here, you get sync sound system with audio controls, phone controls, various apps. You can get Ford Pass on here, Bluetooth for your phone, satellite radio, all that good stuff. Climate controls are below that here. Just your basic mainstream climate controls. To the right, you have a 12-volt outlet, and then you have a lock-in differential with 2 high, 4 high, and 4 low, and a trailer backup assist to help you back up those trailers. You have a center bench seat here that acts as a center console. You've got this here, and if you don't need the console, you have a third passenger. It folds up just like so. Coming onto the back of the STX, you've got your STX 4x4 badge back here, paint-matched rear bumper as well, which is a nice thing to see. Trailer hitch is installed down there. Your tailgate here, you've got a rear light, backup cameras in the tailgate latch. Pulling this down, you do have a tailgate step built in with a drop-in bed liner. You can fit lots of cargo back here, and you've got 2 dome lights up there to light the box for you at nighttime. This is a super cab, so you have the split doors here. Open the back door, you have to have the front door open, and then it's open to the side like this. And all your window controls here, and your cubbies are on the side door. You take a look at the back seat now. The back seats do fold up. It is 60/40. This just pull this tab, and this folds up. Pull this tab on the back here, and you've got a unit back there for your jack and safety mechanism controls. Center console back here, you've got a 12-volt outlet located in the center here, and then cup holders that drop down like that for your rear passengers. You can tell just how big this cab is here with the super cab configuration. And then coming over to the front of the STX, you've got a paint-matched front bumper here. Fog lights and high beams and low beams are all halogens. You do have an open mesh front grille with the STX, which is really, really nice, and you have 2 tow hooks for the plow prep package. So make sure to come on over to MacPhee Ford to talk to a sales advisor about getting to this F-150. As always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video.